Hi everyone, today I'm making phở chiên phồng cá hồi or crispy phở pillows with salmon. Pretty unique dish that you probably never heard before. Let's begin!
Helen's recipes.
Firstly, cut half a carrot, half a yellow and red bell peppers into julienne sticks and then cut into about 2-inch length. Thinly slice the celery on the bias. Also cut some small onions into slices, and we will need about 1/3 cup. Cut straw mushrooms in half. If fresh straw mushroom is not available in your country, you can buy them in a can or use other kinds. Stack a few layers of fresh dry noodles on each other and then use scissors to cut into about 1-inch square pieces. If you can't buy rice noodle sheets like this at the supermarket, you can click on the link to learn how to make them at home. Fill a pan with vegetable oil to cover 2 inches and then drop in the pho squares and fry until they become puffy and golden brown. Just drop in a few pieces at first and leave some space in between them so they won't stick to each other. After a while, the surface will no longer sticky, then you can add more to fry. Try to keep the heat at medium and not too low, because if the oil is not hot enough, it will not pop up nicely. When they turn puffy and golden brown, you can let rest on a rack or a paper towel. Wow, look at this! So golden, puffy and crispy. Season the salmon on both sides with salt and pepper. To make the sauce, mix together 6 tablespoons water with a tablespoon tomato sauce, a tablespoon oyster sauce, a teaspoon of chicken stock, half a teaspoon sugar, half a tablespoon of chili sauce, and half a teaspoon of sesame oil. Heat a pan on medium-high, add a tablespoon of vegetable oil and then sear the salmon on both sides. Sear the skin side a little longer so the skin will become more crispy. Then transfer to rest on a plate. Into the pan, also add some minced garlic and saute till fragrant, and then add the mushrooms and saute for about 30 seconds. Then add the vegetables, carrots, bell peppers and stir for about 3 minutes. Wow, look at that, so colorful. Then pour in the sauce, add onion and stir for 1 more minute and turn off the heat. Also add some green onions for some green color. Transfer to a plate and then arrange the crispy pho pop around. Place the salmon steak on top and finished. Let me give it a try. Wow, the fish is still really juicy and has great sear on the outside. The crispy phở pillow is of course really crispy, and when it's absorbed, that sweet and sour sauce is really flavorful. With a colorful and eye-catching dish like this, who can resist? This recipe, together with so many other phở and noodle recipes, can be found in my cookbook, Simply Phở, which is available now on Amazon and all other bookstores on and offline. You can click on the link to grab one now if you haven't already. Otherwise, just click subscribe and turn on the bell button so you won't miss my next video when it comes out. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.